goals. Challenge number one. Challenge number two is technological literacy. When we go on and design our hybrid, this is very important, that when we're picking tools, it helps to just slim it down and focus on technological tools that meaningfully impact the learning experience. Other problem, typical of many institutions, is that you need high quality tech support, specifically with students that have low tech literacy. Next one is access to networks and infrastructure. Group work and management is a little tricky in the online format. You can group informally, you can do other things online. The other challenge is multimedia and lecture capture, because a lot of us have a wide variety of teaching materials. We've done face-to-face for years. So this is a new learning curve for a lot of instructors. How to deal with your multimedia and lecture, specifically for those of us who really enjoy making our own lectures. The final point is the challenges instructor presence and feedback, because we run our own show in a face-to-face classroom. So how does that look online? How does that voice transfer online? Like, it needs to be there because we're looking for a whole learning experience. So that sometimes requires us to look at a different set of skills.